when we were looking at Reynard, I was looking at a whole bunch of different companies and just looking at videos and pictures. And I mean, you guys do such a great job with your pictures. Just the initial research of the land and who you're going to be working with, I think is very important. You guys are so awesome to meet with us, before we even gave any kind of money. You're just like, let's meet them and see, and just taking the time to meet with people and talk with builders and just, to do some research in that, because I think that's just so important. And we were so happy with the communication between you and Drew, right at the get-go. And for us, we're really hoping this will be like, that'll be it. This is the house that we're just going to retire in.